Here we have a 2026 Ford Mustang GT with a 5.0. Customer wants to wake up the dead, so we took the rear mufflers off. Got the single outlet rear mufflers. We cut out the rear bumper valance. Did a nice clean job there. Put some 4-inch dual tips on there. Gives it that nice quad look. You can see we took the rear mufflers off completely. Did the rear muffler delete pipes. There was originally a resonator in there. We took it off and put a H pipe on there, but it's all stock up front. Should rumble pretty good. Let's see what it sounds like. That woke it up.